This is CNN Breaking News.
This just in, you are looking at obviously a very disturbing live shot there. That is the World Trade Center, and we have unconfirmed reports this morning that a plane has crashed into one of the towers.
We're blanking dying when asked what was happening and hung up. There was screaming and yelling in the background, and a follow-up call was not answered.
It pulled it down on itself.